Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see a something went wrong error in the Instagram app, start by refreshing your page. Scroll down from the top to bottom of your screen, then check your internet connection and switch networks if possible. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Then go ahead and log out of your Instagram and then log back in. After that, restart the device to refresh system processes. Then head over to your app store, search for Instagram, and make sure to update the app to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then clear the app's cache on Android devices. If the error continues, go ahead and long press on the Instagram app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for Instagram, and make sure to reinstall it. Sometimes this message appears during temporary service outages, so waiting and trying again may resolve this issue, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.